in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Shopify Dawn theme. So let's get started. So on default, the actual theme on your Shopify should be Dawn, right? This because it's the default theme once you open a store. So for example, you want to actually remove that, you can head over and add a new theme you can choose from. So click on Add Theme, click on Visit Theme Store, and then from in here, you should be able to see other themes that you can head over and then customize as well. For example, you can actually use this publisher right here, and you can also see a lot more themes that you can choose from, like this themes right here. So what you can do is you can just click on that, and then from in there, you can also click on this try theme right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will add this to your online store themes that you have available. So in here, it will be added. So it will be redirected to your actual themes right here on your online store. However, if you only want to customize that and you don't want to change it, you can head over and click on Customize button right here. So click on Customize button, and then it will direct you to the Shopify customizer for your actual web page. You can see in here your home page, you can see the header, the template, the footer as well. So for example, you want to remove this image banner. What you can do is you can head over and click on the three dots and click on remove right here. As you can see, it has been removed. If you want to add more things, you can head over and add in a section right here. Like for example, you can add in this custom liquid, announcement bars, and all of those things right here. You can also add in here a new section under the template, and you can put in image banner again, image with text as well as slideshow right here. So for example, you want to add a slideshow, you can head over and just click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, it will be added right here. Under the slideshow, you can see the first image slide as well as the second image slide right here. Now, when you try to click on this next right here, you should be able to see the next picture that is available on the slideshow. So for example, you want to edit some text. So what you can do in order to edit some text is just click on that specific area, and then this will open this right here. You can see in here the heading, which is a featured product. So for example, I just want to put in here my products. I can actually head over and do that. And as you can see, the change is actually real time. You can also change the heading size by putting it under the medium, the large, or the small right here. You can also add in here some description, and in here it will appear on your actual credited right here. So when you scroll on, you can see in here the description tile. It can be a body, it can be some title, it can be uppercase, well. And then in here you can see the collections, and you can edit out the colors that you have right here. You can edit out this color scheme. So for example, let's try to change that into blue. As you can see, it will change, and that is what it will look like. So just apply any edits that you think of on your Dawn theme, and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, if you leave like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.